we always focused for the Cambridge curriculum because decision was like we want to give our child such an environment where she can get engaged in other activities also, not only the academics.
Hi, welcome to Yellow Slate, your very own school search engine that helps you find the best schools for your kid based on various filters and parameters. Today, we have Miss Priyanka, whose kids are studying in Sancta Maria International School, which is near Lingampalli and also Gachibowli. Let's speak to her and understand what she thinks about the school and take her honest opinion about it. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am.
Thank you for inviting me.
Ma'am, to begin with, what made you to choose this school?
Actually, we are not from Hyderabad. Basically, we are from Kolkata. So when 2016, I moved into Hyderabad. I was expecting that time. I was a little bit, because we come from a very well academically family. So like our option was, we always thought that school conveyance time should be less. We had, that was the first criteria for us to choose a school. Second thing, of course, the curriculum. We always focused for the Cambridge curriculum because like it gives you hands-on experience. When we talk about CBSE, I'm not criticizing about anything, but it more often it is like rote learning.
Okay.
But when it comes to Cambridge curriculum, it's like hands-on experience, and it enhances the creative thinking of a child. So our decision was like we want to give our child such an environment where she will be having all kind of exposure, and most often like we wanted to have the life skill experience. See, many school will teach the academic curriculum,
Yes.
but very few school will teach the life skills. Santa Maria is one of them. We researched among the Cambridge schools in Hyderabad, and we found it is very convenient because we are staying nearby. It's just a 5 minutes walk from our house. So we thought when the child will be growing to the higher grades, so if the convenience time is minimized, she can get engaged in other activities also, not only the academics, other co-curricular activities also. So we wanted to save that time. And Santa Maria, we have read the reviews also. So we
Correct.
thought it's one of the best school. And now, after 4 years journey in Santa Maria, we feel we have made the correct decision.
Great. And is there anything in particular that gave you an impression that, okay, these guys are capable enough to deliver? Did you speak to the principal, or what was your first experience when you visited the campus initially?
Yeah, actually, we visited the campus first time in 2019.
Oh.
And that time itself, my daughter, she actually cleared the interview process. But considering the age criteria, the earlier head recommended that because she was having some 6 months age gap, so she recommended she can join, always welcome, but she has to repeat one class before going to grade 1. So we
Okay.
thought better we'll do homeschooling. And first time when we interacted with the early years, even we interacted with the peer team, it was very impressive. And most importantly, when we communicated, we have seen that it was not that commercial. They were particularly giving attention to each and every child equally. Even I will tell that like 2019, we went for the first time interview. 2020, we admitted her. 2020, when we are talking, like this was the COVID period.
COVID, right?
First year, first milestone, stepping to school, and it was fully online. But honestly speaking, we did not feel any difference. Like my daughter, her first year was not at all no physical school. We did not feel the difference, and it was only 30 minutes online classes. There were 6 kids, 2 teachers. Each and every concept was covered so well. Even every teacher focused on all the kids. Even they had one session, doubt clearing session for the kids also, and specific timeline. So that was very impressive, because mostly whenever we see any school, it will be broadcasting method. Teacher will come to the class. There will be like 30 to 35 students, and whatever as per their curriculum, they will try to cover the syllabus. But here they specifically take care of the academic part so well that at home we need not even bother about completing the curriculum, or no extra pressure for homework. So that is very commendable.
Got it. And can you tell us the fee structure that you're paying at the school, and also which class is your kid currently going to?
My daughter is in grade 1 now and will be promoted to grade 2 soon. At present, we are paying almost 4 lakhs per annum for the tuition fees, and including everything. And for transportation, it is extra because we are availing our own transport. That part I'm not aware actually. And recently, the school has given the option for home food as well. Earlier, it was mandatory. Now, home food option is also available. So for
Got it.
meal charges, there will be extra amount.
Got it. And how's the quality of the meals and the other infrastructure of the school?
In this context, I would like to mention that my daughter is allergic to some food ingredients. Whenever they're going for some field trips or some excursions, they particularly level their food so that it doesn't mix up. So they're also not only in academics, for other things also, they specifically take care of the special requirements of every kid. Even they maintain the total allergy records, any other, even time to time, they take the medical consent from parents at the beginning of every academic year. So they maintain that records, and even we are always given the opportunity to contact to the PR team or the concerned department if we have any specific requirement.
Got it. And see, it's obvious that no school is perfect all 365 days, and occasionally every parent will have their own concerns and issues. So in case if you have such concerns, is the management accessible, or is it easy to reach out to the teachers and share your concern?
Yes, absolutely. Of course, as you mentioned, everything is not perfect. Even at our home also, every day we are not perfect. We are humans. We make mistakes. But the thing is, they always accept, they're open to the suggestions, they listen to the parents. We have our parent forum also. Even the school conducts some of the seminars also, or whether it is physical or online, and always the PR team, they are available to reach out, and they address each and every concern. So 4 years I have been associated with the school. I have seen them very closely, even with the principal, with the early year heads, primary heads. Whenever we show some concern, immediate action is taken. So that way, I really feel good that my daughter is in the right place.
Nice. And you spoke a lot of nice things about the school, but if you have to be critical and tell us the areas where the school can still get better at, or maybe school has to focus more on, what are those areas?
So I would like to tell that academically, this is one of the best schools in Hyderabad. But when it comes to co-curricular, I think school can take further initiative. They are already expanding. They are already taking initiatives. I think this is one of the area where the school can focus for betterment.
Got it. And before we wind up, on scale of 10, with 10 being the highest, how likely are you to recommend Sancta Maria International School to any of your kith and kin or peers?
Well, I would give 9 out of 10. And I wanted to share one incident.
Please.
Actually, we have transferable job. So last year, I got an opportunity to get back to my hometown. So we discontinued for 6 months. We admitted our daughter to one of the schools in Kolkata. And honestly, I have seen she could not adjust there. We came back to Hyderabad, and again we had to readmit her. So that way you can understand how the kids are attached to the school. Because it's not a one-day thing. Because every day the teachers are taking care of them, and not only the teachers, even the supporting staff, everywhere. they give special attention to each and everyone. It's not that one kid is special, that kid is getting special attention. They pay equal attention to all the kids.
Got it. I'm sure that shows the kind of attachment that your kid has for the school. Thank you very much for coming forward and sharing all these thoughts and opinions, ma'am. It will certainly be of great help for other parents who are considering Santa Maria to evaluate and take a good call. Thank you very much once again.
And this is Santa Maria is not only a school, it's like our extended family. It's our second home.
That's so nice to hear that. Thank you very much.